10 activities that are good for your mental health. Welcome to our journey through activities that are immensely beneficial for your mental health. Each, in its own unique way, contributes to a better, more vibrant state of mind. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel. It's free for you and helps support us to make more educational videos about health and well-being. Let's start with spending time with friends and family. This is a great way to have a connection, understanding, and support. Learning a new skill, either on your own or with a group of like-minded people, helps keep the brain active and healthy. Whether it's a new language, instrument, or any craft, the process of learning stimulates cognitive functions and boosts self-esteem. Walking, the simplest form of exercise, is incredibly powerful. A brisk walk not only clears the mind but also releases endorphins, combating stress and anxiety. It's the perfect opportunity to reflect and appreciate the moment. Cycling offers a unique blend of freedom and focus. Whether you're navigating through city streets or rural landscapes, cycling stimulates mental clarity and reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety. Cycling can be taken up on a low budget. Any bike that is mechanically reliable will do. Photography is a great way to experience your surroundings from a new perspective. You don't need an expensive camera, even the camera on your mobile phone should be fine. Swimming is another activity that significantly lowers stress levels. The rhythmic nature of swimming and being in water has a meditative effect, promoting a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Your local leisure center will usually have a pool timetable so that you can know when the best times to go for a swim will be. Take up dancing. From ballroom dancing, to salsa dancing, to line dancing and so many more, it's lots of fun, sociable, builds coordination and balance, and is great aerobic exercise. Joining a social group, whether based on a hobby, interest, or cause, opens up new avenues for interaction and learning. It's about belonging to something larger than ourselves and spending time with like-minded people, which significantly boosts our mental well-being. Reading is a window to other worlds, offering escape, knowledge, and perspective. It improves brain connectivity, reduces stress, and increases empathy, making it a powerful tool for mental health. Your local library is a great resource of free literature. Yoga brings us back to the importance of connecting the mind, body, and spirit. Through poses and breathing exercises, yoga reduces anxiety and improves the overall quality of life. Whether you choose a local class or an online lesson, yoga is a great way to relax and release tension. Through these activities, we can find balance, joy, and peace in our lives. Remember, taking care of your mental health is not a luxury, but a necessity. Start today and watch how your life transforms. We have more educational videos about health and well-being, so make sure you check them out. Stay safe and take care. Thank you for watching. Your health matters.